So first, we look at what market equilibrium means. Just now I did briefly share with you. We will look for the intersection. And what happens at the intersection, students, is this. QD equals to QS. The quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. The buyer is willing to buy the same amount that the seller is willing to sell. The seller is willing to sell the same amount the buyer is willing to buy. When both sides agree, that is when the transaction can happen. So this is what happens at QD equals to QS, where there is no pressure for the price to change, where there is no excess, that means supply, there is no excess supply, there is no extra stock, and there is also no shortage, there is no not enough stock, because that is considered as we call it as a market shock or a market sort of pressure. When you got not enough stock or you have got too little stock, it will force you to change the price. At QD equals to QS, we understand that there is no such thing. There is no supply excess. There is also no supply shortage. We'll talk about supplies and shortage later at the end as well. And we also believe at QD equals to QS that there is no monopoly. There is nobody which can artificially adjust the price. Because if you were a monopoly, that means you can set whatever equilibrium price because you are the only one providing, you are the only seller. That will destroy our understanding of QD equals to QS. These are some of the assumptions that we have made at QD equals to QS. This is what should happen. So we pursue again, all right, the equilibrium where here we mark P star equals to Q star.